Is your gas log set looking old and tired? Is it dirty or dusty? Has a cat crawled in and thought it was the litter box? Well, it's time to refresh your gas log set. First thing you're going to do is take each gas log out, and you can brush it like with an old paintbrush. We also have a product that you can use on it, Gas Log Glass Cleaner. And to do that, you get the logs hot, you spray this on, and it burns some of the soot off. The next thing you need to do is you need to remove all the sand in your sand pan burner, which is underneath the grate. There's a burner here. There's a pan with a tube in it. You need to take all this out, and then in the sand pan burner on the bottom, you put in new sand. Right? And then over the sand, and only over the sand, you put some new ember material. And this is the material when the gas flows through the embers that makes it look like it's burning. You tear it up into little pieces and put it over there. Around the rest of the fireplace, you get some new lava rock. We carry, bags of small cinders. If you don't like what we have, you can go to a landscape store and you can get any size lava rock you want. And the result?
It reflects, the heat off of the unit. It's not really a full brick line or anything. It's just enough
Is a new looking log set again.
so it doesn't transfer through the head.